How to remove someone on Snapchat group. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through on how you can remove someone on Snapchat group. So if you are also wondering how you can do that, these are the processes you may follow, and you should be able to remove someone from your Snapchat group as well. So let's just go ahead and look out on how we can do that. First of all, go ahead and launch your Snapchat on your device and head over to the group from where you want to remove someone. For example, this group right here. So what we are going to do is simply tap on the profile name and you will be seeing the group members here. So if you want to remove that person, what you're going to do is simply head over to the person's profile and you're going to just long press on the group member section. You will be finding all of the members listed. You're going to long press on the member that you want to remove and you will be finding the very first option that says remove from group. So you're going to tap on it and confirm this remove, and that person will be removed from that particular group. So that is how you remove someone from your Snapchat group, which is very easy and straightforward process. You can also follow the same process in order to remove someone on Snapchat group. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.